Hi, welcome to Sledge's Lifestyle channel. This is Shriji and I am going to teach you how to solve the Skewb Beginners method. So first, let's mix it up. Mix it up nicely. Now let's start solving. So let's start with the white side. So we already have one white on the top. Then we have one more white in the top, but not in the one more piece in the top, but the white is in the right side. We have to bring this into the top. So this we have to use this algorithm to bring it into the top. R prime, L prime, R, L. Now it brought it to the top, and it doesn't matter, it should be the red color should be in the red side, the other red, it doesn't matter about that, but the two red corners should be joined together and all of them should be joined together. So now let's put this piece here by bringing it like up. Then the same thing for this, but it didn't turn, so let's do that same algorithm. R prime, L prime, R, L, and it solved the cube. So step 1 is over for solving the white side. Step 2 is we have to solve for the F12. So first we have to use one of the two algorithms. First one will be in the top, thus in the center, yellow, it will be on the top, and then but there's no yellow here because white opposite is yellow. So if the yellow is in the center piece is in the top, we should do this algorithm. R prime, L, R, L prime, and now it came down. Now we have a red in the top, and then we should this is the red side because it has two corner pieces, the red, that is red. So we have to do the same algorithm, or if it's not comfortable for you, you could do the left side algorithm, which is this: L, R prime, L prime, R, and this piece came down here, and now a blue is in the top, so we have to bring it to the blue side. And now we have to bring this piece right down here. So let's do the algorithm, one of those two algorithms. So I'll use the right side algorithm, R prime, L, R, L prime, and came down. Now same, when it's yellow, you should do one of those algorithms. It doesn't matter. I'll do the left side, L, R prime, L prime, R. Now it came down. Let's put this green in here. R prime, L prime, R, L prime. Now let's put this here by doing the algorithms, one of those. R prime, L prime, R, L prime. Now let's put this here by doing the same algorithm. R prime, L, R, L prime. Now let's put this here. R prime, L, R, L prime. Now the F12 got solved. Now this is the last step to solve this Rubik's cube. So there will be two cases in this step. One of them is no yellow pieces will be in the top. They will be down. So there will be a bar of yellow. We should keep it in the left side, and then we should keep the rest of the pieces in the right side, and do one of the right side algorithm, not the left side, 2 times. R prime, L, R, L prime. Again, R prime, L, R, L prime. That's all the cube. This is the other. I'll send the other case in the description below. if you come across the other case, I will put the instructions of the second case in the description below. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in another interesting video.